what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you today, man. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. Goal is 500 by May 15th for a giveaway. We are at 390 right now, so we're almost at 400 with a little more than a month left to go. That's awesome. Make sure you hit that red button, hit that notification bell, and share it, tell your friends. Now I got some really good news for this video. Wasn't even planning on doing a video today, but after some things that I've seen yesterday and a little bit into this morning, I figured why not throw a quick video out there. So the first bit of good news is that the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple, we are now less than 24 hours away. This is one of my most anticipated shoes of the year. Obviously, I keep talking about it. The Air Jordan 1 Court Purple is releasing tomorrow, April 11th at 10 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. I'm on the East Coast, obviously. So, I've been following resale prices on StockX, looking at early pairs. And a couple weeks ago, they were at around $300. And, you know, let me just get my phone out now. But I know that they've been going lower and lower and lower. And then this morning on Instagram, and I never really, so I always keep an eye on resale prices because I thought it was a shoe that would resell for a lot. So I was planning on trying to get multiple pairs. And I always like to keep my eye on these things. And this morning, shout out to Captain for Kicks. Captain for Kicks posted it on his Instagram this morning as well, officially putting his thoughts out there. And I'm going to side with him that I think that these may be a GR, which is awesome because it's a shoe that I really want for myself. Now, as far as a resale value is concerned, you know what I mean? As far as resale value is concerned, not great. But I might just settle at one pair of these if I could get them if they are a GR. So let me see. Yeah, we're right around $220. Some sizes are going for $215. Some are going for $225 right now on the GoDaddy. And let's see, the top offer right now for a size 12 is $205. And the last sale prices range from $215 to $225. There was one that was sold a while ago that went for $270, but that's when resale prices were still high. So that's good news. Maybe a GR, maybe a lot easier to get our hands on our pairs of Court Purples tomorrow. So I'm excited for that. Hopefully I can get those in my hand. One thing that I noticed too, Nike, and it's probably because of the coronavirus, but Nike has been taking its time with delivery. My last pair that I ordered from the Nike sneakers app was the Racer Blues, and I thought maybe because it was an exclusive access, it took a little longer than usual. But a couple videos ago, I mentioned I'm starting to buy what you like segment, and the shoe that I bought for that, I purchased now, 4 days ago, and it hasn't even shipped out yet. And when I looked at my order status, it says expected delivery date is the 20th. So that is a ways away, more than a week away. So it's probably going to take like 2 weeks for that shoe to get here. When you see what it is, I don't know why it's going to take so long for them to get there. Are they making more of them? I doubt it. But anyways, that's a couple things that I noticed. And then one more thing that I want to point out, something that I'm really excited about. I mentioned it earlier in the year in some videos and then stopped talking about it because I didn't think it would apply to me. But that is the Air Jordan 4 Rasta, or the Air Jordan 4 Carnival. Or let me open my app up real quick just so I can get the official name of it. It is the Air Jordan 4 Lucid Green right here, the Rasta 4 that everyone's been talking about. I don't know why I did that. I'm just going to put a picture of it on the screen. But the good news that I got about it is that if you go see it, it now is live on the Nike Sneakers app. The release date is scheduled for April 16th, which is in the middle of next week. But we did know that this was going to be a women's release, which is why I stopped talking about it, because I wear a size 12, women's sizes stop, and I think like men's 10 and a half, something like that, around there. But this is going to be in extended sizes. It says right now we're getting it in a woman's size 5 through a woman's size 16 and a half. And the women's shoes I'm a 13 and a half, so they will be available for my size. That also means there's going to be a lot of pairs, so I don't think we have to worry about it selling out. This is a sneaker that I'm really excited to have on foot. So yeah, that's something else to look forward to next week. But that was it for this video, man. The two things that I saw yesterday that I wanted to talk about is the potential of the Court Purple Air Jordan 1 being a GR, and the fact that we are getting these lucid green or these Rasta 4s next week in extended sizes so we could all wear them. But that is it for this video, guys. I am the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. And as always, I'll see you at the next one.